In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove photos from iCloud without deleting them on your iPhone. Now, for us to get this done, I'm just going to show you what I have here. So I'm just going to open my photos, and as you can see, it says down here that we have just updated it just now, which means I have uploaded or synced my gallery to my iCloud. Now, in order for me to remove them from my iCloud without deleting them on my iPhone, I'm going to head over to the settings. I'm going to open it. And we're going to go ahead and basically click our name here. And then once we are here, we're just going to go ahead and look for the iCloud button. Go ahead and click that over there and then choose photos. Once you're in the photos, make sure that you are going to use download and keep originals. So what is going to happen is that it's going to download all of the images that you have on your iCloud into your phone. If you are going to choose optimize iPhone storage, what's going to happen is a bit different. So it is going to basically try to get all that information into your iCloud and then giving you a bite size or smaller size images or videos. So it's still going to be the same images, but yeah, lower quality than what they are originally. So once you are done choosing download and keep originals, we are going to go ahead and close this, and then we're going to head over to manage storage here. Now that we are here, we're going to head over to photos. As you can see, it's 1.2 gigabytes. I'm going to click that over there. And then I'm going to go ahead and choose disable and delete. So again, it says here these photos will be permanently deleted from iCloud in 30 days. To avoid losing them, choose download and keep originals in photo settings before continuing. So we have already done that one. I'm going to hit continue anyway right now. And it says photos and videos will be deleted. You have 30 days to undo and restore them. I'm going to tap delete. All right, from this point forward, we're just going to go ahead and wait for this one. It should be gone in a couple of minutes. All right, there you go. So as you can see, photos is now 0, which means we don't have anything here stored anymore. So if we are going to go back to our gallery, we can go ahead and close this one and then open it once again in order for it to refresh. All right, there you go. You should be able to see that it says here last updated 3 minutes ago. So that is the update of removing these photos from our iCloud.